Hi, friends, and welcome to our ELA lesson today. We are going to listen to a story, identify the sequence of a story, and discuss plural nouns. Whew, big word. Let's get to it. We're going to read this poem called Mix a Pancake. Okay? Now, before we talk about that poem particularly, let's talk about what a poem is. A poem is something that's a very short story and usually has some rhyming words in it. Okay? An author who writes a poem is called a poet. So let's see. Let's go ahead and see if we can read it. And if you have any connections with this, like maybe you've made a pancake before, make sure to give your connection symbol. Okay? So let's read our story, our poem. Whew, it's so short. Are you ready to listen? Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Let's read it one more time. Are you ready? Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in a pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Good work. Now let's take a look and just take a second to think, okay? What happened first? How do you make a pancake? What happened first? They had to mix the pancake, right? And then what happened next? Oh, they had to stir the pancake. What happened next? They popped it in a pan. What happened next? Then they fried up the pancake. What happened next? They tossed the pancake. And what happened last? And catch it if you can. Can you pretend to toss up a pancake and catch it in your pan? Good work. That was a poem written by an author who's called a poet. And it had some rhyming words in there. Remember, poems are short stories with rhyming words. I wonder if you can stop and think. Let me say it one more time. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Did you hear any rhyming words in there? Pan, can. Those two words rhyme. Good work. Now that you've been introduced to a poem, we're going to completely switch gears and go to something called plural nouns, okay? Now remember, a noun is a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. It's just the name of what they are, okay? But a plural noun is when there's more than one. So let's go ahead and check that out. Right here I have this cheese pizza, okay? And we could put lots of ingredients on this pizza. Now if I just put one pepperoni, that's a noun. It's a thing, but it's only one pepperoni. Now, if I take lots of pepperonis, then it becomes a plural noun. It's not one pepperoni, it's lots of pepperonis. Did you hear I put a little S at the end of pepperonis? Yeah, pepperoni, pepperonis. That's the difference between one and lots. Let's try it again with the pepper, okay? One pepper on our pizza is just one pepper. That's a noun. It's a thing, something that we eat. One pepper. But if we add more, it becomes peppers. I see how I added the S there? Those are plural nouns. It went from a pepper to peppers. Very good. Let's try another one. If I add one mushroom, it's just a mushroom. It's just one thing. If I add lots of mushrooms, here I put the S at the end, mushrooms, to our pizza, those are now plural nouns. A noun is a thing, a mushroom is a thing, but now there's more of them, so that's a plural noun. Mushroom, mushrooms. You got it. Let's try olives. So if I put on one olive, it's just one thing, just a noun. Olive. If I put on lots of olives, you see I put that S on there? Lots of olives. It's now a plural noun. So we have olive, olives. You see the difference? Let's add some pineapple to our pizza, my favorite. So if we add one pineapple, it's just one thing. It's one thing that makes it a noun. If I add more pineapples, we now have a plural noun. It means lots of them, okay? So we have pineapple, pineapples. So it goes from being one thing to lots of things. That's the difference between a noun and a plural noun. Thank you for working with me, my friends.